am Ismael, the school head of Maninding Victoria AS. I would like to present the 51 graduates, 28 boys and 23 males, females, at the total of 51. And, okay, 40 completers, 22 boys, 19 girls. Ma'am, as they finish and completed the K-12 curriculum, may I present you, Ma'am, our graduates and completers of Maninding Vintinilla AS.
Thank you, Ma'am. Good morning, Maninding Vintinilla Elementary School. Kumusta kayo? Graduation mo. Good morning po. By the authority vested upon me, the school's division superintendent, Madam Fatima R. Buado, CESO 5 of SDO 1 Pangasinan, and acting upon the recommendation of the Principal 1, Dr. Jean and Ismael, that you have successfully completed the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education for kindergarten and elementary. I, your public schools district supervisor, hereby confirm your completion and graduation rights today and declare you kindergarten completers and elementary graduates of Maninding Vintinilla